Hey everyone, what's going on? I'm Emily and welcome back to Living Plantfully. Today we are here in my kitchen for the last time. This is my last video in this kitchen. I'm gonna miss this kitchen so much. This is like where the whole journey of Living Plantfully started for me. So obviously this kitchen holds a very special place in my heart. But today's recipe video is gonna be the last recipe video in this kitchen. So say your goodbyes to this kitchen.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
So for our last recipe in this kitchen, I wanted to go out with a bang and give you guys a recipe that you guys had requested from me. I posted a picture of some vegan cornbread, yes, successful vegan cornbread, on my Instagram a couple of weeks ago and asked you guys if you wanted the recipe, and you guys said yes. So that is what I'm bringing you guys today. We're going out with a bang. That's what we're gonna be making today, a super easy vegan cornbread that is amazing, delicious, fluffy, not mushy, not nasty. So let's go ahead and get right into the recipe. All right, so this cornbread recipe, like I said, is extremely easy. It is so easy to put together and it is delicious, like I said. So to start off our recipe, we're gonna need to have 1 flax egg. So I just have 1 flax egg prepared in my bowl right here. If you don't know what a flax egg is, it's just 1 tablespoon of ground flax and 3 tablespoons of water to create 1 flax egg. So that is what I have right here in my bowl. Next to that, I'm going to add in some non-dairy milk, vegan milk. I'm using soy milk. Make sure that you're using something unsweetened since we are adding sugar to our cornbread. So next I have here some vegan butter and some sunflower oil. I know that usually vegan butters already have sunflower oil in them, but again, this is how I made it. The first time it came out so good that I didn't want to switch anything, so it is a combination of both vegan butter and sunflower oil. I just melted the butter and then combined it with the sunflower oil. So go ahead and add that in. That is all of our wet ingredients, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just whisk that all together just to make sure that everything is nice and combined. Moving on to the dry ingredients. I have here some regular, just all-purpose flour. I have, of course, cornmeal. You can't have cornbread without the cornmeal, so I just have some regular yellow cornmeal right here. Add that right in. Next, I have some baking powder. This is just gonna make it nice and fluffy and just that perfect cornbread consistency. Then, of course, well, in my case, I love that traditional sweet cornbread, so go ahead and add in your sugar. You might need to adjust this a little bit, just depending on your liking for sweetness in cornbread. Again, I like my cornbread pretty sweet, so does MJ, so this is how much sugar I add into mine. You may need to adjust it just a little bit. And then to balance that sugar, we obviously need to add in a little bit of salt as well. So then go ahead and whisk our dry ingredients together, just so that everything is nice and combined again. We have here our wet mixture as well as our dry mixture, and I actually like to put my dry mixture into my wet mixture just because, I don't know, that's just how I like to do it for the cornbread, just because I feel like it makes it a little bit easier to mix together. So I just add in like portions at a time of the dry mixture into the wet mixture. Just like that, whisk that in there, then go in with a bit more of that. Then go ahead and add in the last little bit of our dry mixture. You just want to mix that together so that there are no lumps of the dry mixture in there. So once you've reached this consistency right here, that is ready to go. It is time to bake our cornbread. So I have right here an 8x8 non-stick cooking pan that I am just going to lightly spray with just some cooking spray, just to make sure that my cornbread doesn't stick onto there. And then I'm just going to pour my cornbread mix right into there. And you may need to switch over to a spatula just to get all of our yummy cornbread mix out of the bowl. All right, perfect. So now this is just going to go into my preheated oven. I have my oven preheated at 350 degrees and I'm gonna pop this in there for 15 to 20 minutes. And you just basically wanna check that the top gets nice and crispy like cornbread, and also prick it with a skewer or like a toothpick just to make sure that the toothpick doesn't come out wet. If it comes out wet, then you need to bake it a little bit longer than that. You wanna let it cool down quite a bit before you cut into it. And there you have it, my friends, my super easy vegan cornbread. And yes, this isn't your average vegan cornbread that doesn't have any flavor, that's like lacking fluffiness, maybe is all like mushy and gushy inside. No, this stuff is legit. Like it's good, okay? You guys were like, wait a minute, what? Yeah, this is some really good vegan cornbread. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste. I have a little dollop of some vegan butter on it because, you know, why not? Just spread it around a little bit. It's so good. Fluffy. The perfect sweetness. It's not like mushy at all. Still moist though. Just delicious. Perfect. If you wanted to, you can also add in some like fresh corn or like canned corn or frozen corn. If you like your cornbread to have actual corn in it, I think that will be really, really good. I might give that a try next time. But this stuff is literally perfection. Like, it's fluffy on the inside, just perfect. It's just perfect. I want you guys to take a look at that. Oh my God, yes. It's good. I mean, looking for a super easy vegan cornbread recipe? Here you go, guys. Perfection. If you liked today's super easy vegan cornbread recipe, be sure that you give this video a thumbs up. And of course, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, which you should have already, I mean, what are you waiting for? The subscribe button is right down there. It looks just like this. And don't forget that to be notified every single Wednesday when a new video goes up, you have to click that little notification bell that is next to it. If not, you might miss a video and you're gonna be like, what the heck's going on? There's a new kitchen, what, where? So yeah, make sure that you click that notification bell so that you'll be notified every single Wednesday when a brand new video goes up. And yeah, guys, say goodbye to the kitchen. This will be the last time that you see it. But again, I will be bringing you guys content still. Don't worry, it's still coming your way. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next Wednesday. Bye. I'm gonna miss my kitchen.